Hi, my name is Tracy Pepe. Thanks for joining my class. My YouTube channel has been growing and we are getting followers on a daily basis. Just updated my website, so thescentedlayer.com has some really unique information. Each week we're doing a live video stream and we're teaching people in classes up to 150 people all over the world, global. Go to eventbrite.com, look up essential oil use, and you'll find my classes. Register. They don't require you to buy anything. If you have essential oils, they're very helpful, but I try to also use the scents or things that you have in your home. So for those of you who are joining me back, thanks again for including in the subscription, and those of you who are new, welcome. My goal is to teach people how to use essential oils within their space. I have been in the industry for over 25 years. I scent spaces, I work with hotels and condos, and my forte are these little essential oils or these plant materials that I import from various different parts of the world to create custom fragrances. I do a lot of work with synthetics as well as naturals. My main focus are the naturals, and I like to incorporate them in a space by using diffusers, and I'm here to help you. So what happens when sleep isn't enough? What happens when you're exhausted? I think right now with COVID-19, we are hitting some precedent situations within our environments. We're involved with working at home, isolation, fears, the economy, all these various different things that are occurring on a regular basis that we don't necessarily have any control over. Our hair, do we need a haircut or what? It is happening. And so what we're trying to do is come up and reinvent ourselves. And sometimes that keeps us up at night. I find myself sometimes at 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, and there's a whole YouTube, or if you just Google what happens at 3 o'clock in the morning, it's quite interesting. It seems there's a lot of creativity that occurs. Go with it. That's what I recommend. When we are at a point where we're at exhaustion and we are facing insomnia and we're up at night and we can't really go on or feel that we're going to work through this in a way where go to bed and wake up and go do as much as normal can be. When sleep just isn't enough and you are feeling the exhaustion, what I recommend is if you're waking up at 3 o'clock in the morning, get up, sit at your computer or at a journal. Writing is really effective too. Get out some essential oils that are stimulants and work with things like peppermint, eucalyptus, menthol, spearmint, any of the sharp scents, rosemary, things with camphor notes in them, things that have the ability to increase or help memory. Rosemary has been cited in a research study with Alzheimer's patients of increasing memory. It doesn't cure Alzheimer's at all, but they're looking at scent as part of diagnosis with Parkinson's and as part of the way the brain is functioning with Alzheimer's patients and how it works. One thing I can tell you is we don't know as much as we should know about how scent impacts the brain, but I can tell you this is a safe, effective way to address your personal concerns at 2 o'clock in the morning when you feel like you need to kind of do something. I grab the bull by the horn and I embrace it. And so I set up my diffuser on my desk. I have many, by the way. I have multiple diffusers throughout my home. And I have a tray, if you can see in the back, with a variety of different essential oils. So I have some stimulants, I have some florals, I have some calming ones, and I pick and choose. It's my superpower. I love working with scent. So I work with stimulants. I sit down, I get up, I will make myself a cup of tea, or I will grab myself a glass of water, and I will open up the book and I will dedicate an hour of my time, and I will see if I can tap into my creativity or writing. For me, that's usually enough. I can go back to sleep, wake up, and feel really rested. One thing that is true, you need to have rest. You need to create healthy coping mechanisms to deal with new realities that we're all facing. I personally believe essential oil usage are one of those new superpowers that each and every one of us can tap into as part of their coping mechanisms. Things like using them in cleaning products. And there's a video on that I've created to do it in a safe, healthy, effective way. You can't just pull anything out of your cupboards. How to blend them, working with pets. I have a St. Bernard and 2 cats here, and I have a video on that, teaching you how to use those. Each week we're going to address them, your questions, your comments. Please tap in. Please check in with us. More importantly, reach out to each other and try to help each other. My name is Tracy Pepe, and I thank you so very much for joining my YouTube channel and your time. I hope to see you or hear from you soon. Thanks.